Hi, we're Marg and Steve from Gibbo's Road Trip Adventures, and we are obsessed with road tripping in our 14.6 foot off-road pop-top caravan. We love nothing better than getting off-grid, and not all goes to plan, but that's all part of the adventure. We are very passionate about our camp cooking, and we are happy to share our experiences on YouTube, so come with us.
All I ask you, let me be there, let me be there.
In this adventure, we return to one of our most favourite places that we've been travelling to for almost 40 years, is Hawk's Nest, and where we choose to camp is at Mile River Camp. This time we've camped on the riverfront, and we're going to be joined by our best friends. It is predicted to be a wild and windy weekend, so stick with us and see what we get up to.
So we ended up at Mile River Bush Camp. This is our spot. That'll be our sunset for this evening. Marg's having a stout. Brilliant.
We've booked sites 2 and 3, which are the premium sites on the water, and cost us $104 for 2 nights per site. Great timing. Our friends have just arrived to capture the last of the sun. Woohoo! This is going to be a great weekend. Been too long. So we settled into the night with a bit of dinner. Maud was whipping up her wicked wild mushroom risotto while I was over in Mildred preparing something different, a different sort of cooking method that I haven't actually showed anybody on YouTube yet. Stay tuned.
Smells great.
Stay there.
We'll come back and see what happens.
Yeah, come back. Stay tuned.
Please.
With a little prep work from home, I used our thermal pot to set up some lamb shanks and veggies to cook while we travel. Okay, so look, a lot's happened between getting dinner ready. We are away with friends, so this video will be very limited, I think. I'm going to check how those lamb shanks are going that I prepared at home. And we've got this Deb instant mash. This one comes with onion. I just thought I'd share that. I'm just boiling some water, and then I'm going to check how those lamb shanks are going. Alrighty, there's our lamb shanks with veggies and some Deb mash. I think that's pretty good from our little thermal cooker. I'll pop this one in a volume 4, which is going to be released very, very soon, probably by the end of this video. That looks all right. What do you think? So we've woken through the night with gale force winds, and these poor people next to our friend's caravan been trying to put their tent down. That's our friend Pete Moore's gator, and we have this awesome view. We haven't stepped outside yet. It's going to be an interesting day. And the boys are in. Oh, I bet you it's beautiful.
Where those waves come from?
I don't know, it's been calm the whole time.
It has. I
Yeah.
wasn't planning
Although
on
now,
going in.
now we're down here, it is quite enticing.
It looks so nice. Imagine how cold it will be when they get out.
So with the wind still howling, we decided to head to Benchmark on Boona for some cocktails and some delicious lunch. It was a great way to escape the wind until we returned to camp. Oh boy, it really was a weekend where the wind wasn't going to stop. We got back to camp and decided to put up our windbreak that I made for WA. I just made this with my home sewing machine and put together some instructions on how to make it with all the measurements and where to buy the supplies. I had that for sale because people have actually asked me where did I get it from. I've only got it on for $5, so I'll put a QR code up here. It's really good. It holds in the sand against strong winds, and it does create a lovely alcove to protect you from that wind, and you can still enjoy the great outdoors and have a campfire at night. Anyway, we're going to settle in and get cozy and have a good time. We've got Jake here, and he's from Mungo Brush Dingoes on Dingo Watch on Facebook. So check him out. You're full of information. Do you put?
You'll learn everything you need to know about the local dingoes.
Awesome.
Their names, what they get up to, and just you'll learn that they're not a vicious animal. They're an actual protector of the bush and nothing more.
Yeah, and you've had these too?
6 years. So Chino, he's an alpine. I've had him for 6 years. He came from the girls at Taronga had him. He was handed into them, and she's going to show us how to groom him properly.
Aww.
And then you've got Opal. She's the matriarch of our house. She's a coastal, so she's a little bit smaller.
Aww.
And he's got that snow coat on at the moment because of the wind and the cold.
And so soft.
Oh, he's like a teddy bear. She's a little bit different. But no, this one here, she can jump a 2.1 metre colorbond fence. She looks pretty slow and slothy, but she ain't.
Yeah. Well, thank you. Hopefully people will follow you on Facebook.
Great to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. It's tequila time. This is what we love about camping. Happy hour. Cheers, everybody. Pretty cozy little nook we've got here. Okay, we've been having a lovely night listening to different songs, creating a playlist just with our special friends. Do you ever do that? Well, we did. And oh my gosh, you got to treasure those special people in your lives. Anyway, on that note, we're cooking dinner and feeling quite merry. What I've done here is some delicious beef scrolls, and they're filled with lots of goodness, and this is going to be in volume 4, which is available right now. And I have one of my salads in a jar. That's going to be our side salad. I was going to do some vegetables, but we've decided we're going to put this in the camp oven and bake it. Alrighty, so we have coals. We're in the windbreak and it is toasty warm. My knees are burning. Steve's just popping the coals on the top and the bottom of our lovely beef scrolls filled with goodness. Pete's about to cook a barbecue.
I am, and it's not going so well, so good so far. It's the bass song that that's the Fleetwood Mac
Doesn't
song.
matter how old you are. It's your friends that make your world.
Look at that. Oh, they're plucking.
Oh, Steve. So with no dinner in our tummy, we woke up with a few sore heads. Maura and I decided to have a sleep in while the boys headed to the beach to have a fish. Just a short video this time. It's been wonderful being with our friends, and I hope you've enjoyed this little snippet of our getaway. Make sure you follow so next time you see where Steve and I get to. Love you to give us a thumbs up and comment below. Thanks for watching.